Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LYL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, although saying day's a little deceiving because for the majority of the day, not much was going on at all, very low volume, and then all of a sudden this afternoon, kaboom, last 30 minutes of the day, volume came pouring in, and the price reacted very nicely with it. So definitely some updates here need to be done. And what I want to do here is just to make this a little bit easier to see. I'm going to get rid of this line here and then this level. Yes, both levels pertain, but from a presentation standpoint, I just don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first big update that needs to come into play, and that will be beneficial moving forward, is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 325 was one of those areas of resistance, but now that the price is up above it, that's what I would consider the ideal level of support. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 325, that would be a great sign of strength. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that area, not the end of the world, because taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful and beneficial because when as far as just gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 325 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch right up here at $4.30, and nothing fancy or complicated behind that other than the fact that that's just simply where the partying momentum finally stopped today. So keep a close eye on that. But all in all, monster volume to close out the day. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.